Good evening, students. Welcome to the third session of NCERT activities in mathematics. Just like the previous two sessions, we will again be looking at GeoGebra. All right. And in this GeoGebra, we'll try to prove some mathematical identities and activities using activities. And as usual, we'll be starting with the graphing calculating. But for today, we'll be using this calculator suite. All right. And the first thing that we are going to prove is that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Right. So what I'm going to do is, let me just remove the grid and the axis. All right. So this is like a plain background now. First, let's create a polygon. Let's take a pentagon. All right. For the pentagon, click on more. You see this polygon out here. Right. And let's just make a pentagon in random. All right. Now, let me create some line segments. Let me take a line DE, EA, AB, BC, and CD. Now let me put some points on this line segment. We'll take a point on this line. Right? Let's say this is F. Let's make a line over here, a point over here, a point over here, here, and let's take a point over here. All right. Let us remove the lines now. So for that, we click on move, go to this algebra, and we will just switch these segments off. This one is lines. F is gone, G is gone, H is gone, I is gone, and J is gone too. Right? And let me make some segments out of it from the given points. The first segment which you're going to take is TJ. And then EF, AG, BH, and finally this one. If I click on move, you can see these angles, they might differ, but this K, this JD line, it is coincident to DC. All right, you can move this also. You can see that the segments remain coincident to the sides of the polygon. Right. Now let's see what are these angles, the exterior angles. For that, let us measure the angle. So we go to measure angle and let's take E, D, J. All right, see. It is showing the exterior and the obtuse angle right now. So we'll be doing it in anti-clockwise direction. So let's take J, D, E, and you'll get this angle F, E, A, G, A, B, H, B, C, and finally let's take I, C, D. Now, these are the exterior angles for this polygon. Now, here you can see there are more than 10 digits after the decimal place. So what I'm going to do is go to settings, click on this gear button, and let's give it 2 decimal places. Right? So you can see out here. Now, if you notice, all these angles have been given a name now. So this is alpha, this is beta, over here is gamma. Here we have got this small delta and another epsilon out here. Right? Now let's figure out what is the sum of these angles. First, we'll write a command out here. In this command, we'll just go to this text, click on this special text, which kind of gives you the Greek letters. So alpha plus beta plus gamma plus, where is the delta now? Just a minute. Add it with the epsilon. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, you can see the sum, it adds up to the angles, it adds up to 360 degrees. Now, if we move these points, all right, if we change the orientation of the pentagon and still keep it like a convex polygon, concave polygon, we'll say that the sum of the exterior angles is always 360 degrees. You can notice it out here, right? So yeah, I hope that you tried this with a hexagon or any other polygon, and you'll see that the exterior angle is always 360 degrees.